All right, so we're back at Zion. We were here earlier in the week and we did Angel's Landing, and we didn't think we'd get to do the Narrows because, well, it's like 40 degrees outside and it's gonna be freezing. And then we realized there's a place just outside of Zion that rents these suits that we're wearing. Here, Jocelyn's gonna model it for you real quick. There you go.
It's terrible.
So they keep you dry and they keep your feet warm. They have like 5mm socks on and waterproof shoes, but you're still gonna get your feet a little wet, and but they should stay warm. So we're gonna give it a shot and try to do the Narrows when it's 46 degrees out. I'll see you out there.
I'm a blanket, warm and stunned. We feel like it's home. We've been like this for most of our lives now, and I'm a taker.
First step into the water. Hopefully it's not too cold. Well, Dad, last time we did this, it was about 107 degrees out and the water felt good. Now it's about 47 degrees out. Water's a little chilly, but not too bad. Suit's keeping me dry pretty much. Alright, well, now we're heading back. We explored, there's a fork in the canyon, so we explored the little fork in the canyon for a little ways up, and now we're heading back.
take the road, sister, sing. Imagine all the words becoming real. Together we'll be free. It's not just you and me.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when
Well, this is what's supposed to be the first of the 3 waterfalls, I'm guessing. Don't have much water going down it though.
tomorrow's sunshine, when I feel it today, and when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans or a fancy agenda. Well, let's just see where it goes. We got no care for the way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes.
That is probably one of the waterfalls we're supposed to see. You see how majestic it is? Beautiful.
We'll CGI on
See here, the water falling. Isn't it beautiful?
My friend will never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love.